Okay, today I'm gonna ask them about atmosphere. Okay, can you please define atmosphere?
It is a layer in Earth that protects us from sunlight and upcoming meteors.
Okay, what do you think is the importance of it?
It acts like a blanket to Earth that protects us from danger.
Okay, based off your opinion, what do you think is the most important type of atmosphere and why?
I think the most important layer of atmosphere is stratosphere. Why? Because it protects us from the harmful ultraviolet rays coming from the sun.
Okay, could you name the layers of the atmosphere, please?
The layers of the atmosphere are troposphere, stratosphere, mesosphere, thermosphere, and exosphere.
Okay, I see. I have a question for you. Planets except Earth?
Yes.
And how?
Because without it, we would get hit by meteors. We would get hit by meteors and other planets would be destroyed.
Okay. Why is the current year so much hotter than the stars up on a sunny day?